Hello, today I am with OPPO wireless speaker and I want to show you how you can perform the reset of this device. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone, and to reset this device you have to click and hold this play and pause button. So click and hold, take a look on the LED. As you can see, it turns to the red.
Bluetooth pairing.
And also we are not connected anymore with our speaker, so it means that it was quick reset. And right now when I try to select the OPPO wireless speaker, I can accept the pairing request, so we are completely reset.
Connected.
So that's all. To perform the reset on this device, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator blinks few times on the red. So yeah, that's all, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.